Today, we're going to make and test our very own straw rockets. This fun activity will let us explore how different designs affect how far our rockets can fly. Are you ready? Let's get started.
First, let's gather our materials. You'll need a straw, a piece of paper, scissors, tape, and some crayons. To make your rocket, cut a small rectangle of paper that is about 2 inches wide and 4 to 4.5 inches long. Then, roll it around the straw and tape it so it forms a tube. Make sure the tube can slide off the straw easily. Next, seal one end of your paper tube with some tape. This will trap the air inside when we launch it. Time to get creative. You can decorate your rocket with markers, crayons, or stickers. Make it as colorful as you want. Now for the fun part, launching. Place your rocket on the straw. Take a deep breath and blow hard. Watch it fly. To be real scientists, we need to record our results. After launching your rocket, write down the distances your different rocket designs travel in your data log. Then, compare them to find the best design.
Awesome job, space engineers! You just designed, tested, and improved your very own straw rockets. Keep experimenting and see how far you can make them fly. Thanks for joining and happy launching!